Welding robotic cells for custom production. No blueprint or integration needed. Set it up and let it do the job. Combining AI, computer vision and deep expertise in manufacturing processes, Skilltellect creates autonomous welding robotic cells. We have trained the robot to understand exactly where and how to weld without any digital drawings and robot programming. 1. Put the workpieces in the working area. 2. The robot scans the workpieces and recognizes the specified welding seam's location. 3. The unit requests the operator for the minimum welding seam parameters, if needed. Then the welding begins. 4. When the work is done, the robot beeps. Our team has more than 10 years' experience in metalworking. Each of our projects is unique. Thus, we understand that the existing methods of custom production robotization do not work in 90% of cases. It's often unprofitable, complicated, and the results may be unpredictable. Therefore, we create a robot unit that does not need to be programmed at all. Just take it out of the box and turn it on.